Hi folks, what does an old man do on a cloudy, rainy, cool day here on the Space Coast? This one cleans his electric e-bike. Needs a cleaning. I'll wipe down the body with the muck off waterless wash. I'll adjust the derailleurs. I'll clean the gearbox. I'll degrease and lube the chain. I'll tighten all the nuts up to spec with my Pro ParkTool ratchet set. And today I'll spend a little extra time on the brakes and make adjustments there as well. Stay warm, stay out of trouble, or just don't get caught. Peace.